We're broadcasting from the Middle Tennessee Electric Studios.
The Middle Tennessee Electric Studios. Visit mte.com.
WGNS Action Line. Talking Rutherford County News
since 1947.
WGNS Action Line. Now your host, Scott Walker.
Joining us now from MTSU, Dr. Lee Meow, Professor of Mechatronics Engineering at MTSU. Mechatronics. I've heard a lot about that over the past couple of years since MTSU brought that into focus. Tell us more about what you do.
Thank you. So I'm a professor at MTSU. I mostly teach mechatronics engineering upper division courses. So I'm also the coordinator for the BS program and now the coordinator for the new master's program in mechatronics systems engineering.
So I'm just looking at some of the information here. Could somebody working full-time realistically complete this master's degree without leaving their job if they want to focus more on mechatronics?
Absolutely. This new master's program is designed for working professionals. We'll have most of our required courses offered in the evening. So if you're a full-time student, you could get it done within 1 year. But if you would like to find a balance between work, study, and life, you could get it done within a little over a year.
And how important is that focus on mechatronics? How important is that, and what types of businesses are involved, and what are you seeing overall?
This program is mechatronics systems engineering. So mechatronics is a highly interdisciplinary program which combines mechanical, electrical, computer, and systems engineering. So we have a lot of alumni working in the automation and advanced manufacturing business in the area. We also have a lot of supporters, from the local industry. Actually, some of them wrote support letters for us when we applied for approval, for the launch of a new program to THAC. So it's highly related to mechatronics, and also we're trying to incorporate AI and also advanced control systems, intelligent systems into this new master's program.
Again, Dr. Lee Meow with MTSU, and how does AI fit into the picture? What are you seeing overall with AI?
Well, this is a great question. So right now, when people talk about AI, they probably think about ChatGPT. For the most part, AI is still within the computer. Maybe you can answer questions, maybe you can generate images, videos. But I think near future, the AI is going to come out of the computers and try to interact with the physical world. This is why mechatronics is going to help. So if we integrate AI into this master's program, you'll make our future graduates ready for this year of AI, especially for physical AI.
I think there is a lot of confusion out there about AI because I think folks think sometimes it is as simple as ChatGPT. I don't think people really think past that when they see or hear about AI at times.
Well, I think this is just the beginning of the AI era. Sooner or later, we're going to see AI-equipped robotics, AI-equipped manufacturing devices like vision-based manufacturing. We're going to have humanoid robots walking around in our street and helping us in our household. So yeah, we have a really bright future with AI. This is just the beginning, in my opinion.
I know we have seen testing of robotics with AI capabilities. We've seen testing of those at places like the Honda plant. I believe it was maybe in Alabama. I'm not sure where the location was, but they brought in all these robots to do manual labor. Are tests like that being done locally as well?
Yeah, so I just went to Automate 2026, which took place in Chicago in June. There are a lot of vision-based systems. A lot of robots are very intelligent, so they're equipped with AI technologies. So yeah, you're absolutely right. So it's happening.
That's fascinating to me to see that in action. And I think we're going to see more of it. We're going to see a lot of changes. And I guess students who are part of the mechatronics program, they're going to be a part of engineering some of these robots in the future, probably.
Yeah. So that's what we do at MTSU's mechatronics program. So our students, the undergraduate students, they design, robots basically in their final year in their senior design projects. And now in our graduate courses, we're going to incorporate computer vision, reinforcement learning, those more advanced techniques into robotics and also manufacturing systems.
Are you already seeing a pretty good number of industries in Middle Tennessee looking for students with a mechatronics background?
Yeah, absolutely. So a lot of our students work in the area for the automation and the manufacturing companies such as Automation NTH, Spring Automation, etc. Yeah, so there's a really high demand for mechatronics, especially in the Middle Tennessee area.
And I'm just looking at some of the graduate programs and how they will benefit from this new mechatronics degree. And it looks like preparation for emerging technologies and artificial intelligence, robotics and intelligent systems, strong career prospects with opportunities for advancement, and even leadership roles.
Yeah, so mechatronics graduates have a lot of opportunities, not just in automation and advanced manufacturing. We have had graduates working for Tesla, the Boring Company, and also the defense company. So the future is really bright. And I believe, with the help of this master program, mechatronics engineers, will have potential opportunities to work for research projects and also be in a leadership role.
Speaking of Tesla and the Boring Company, we've already seen them in action in Middle Tennessee and Nashville.
Yeah, I think they try to build a tunnel from the airport to downtown Nashville.
What a wild project, and interesting to follow too.
Yeah,
because they're already boring through underground and making tunnels. It is fascinating.
Yeah, it is.
What a interesting career to be in, and to be a professor in that. It's got to be exciting to really teach this generation that's right there in front of you how to do this work and watch them go out into the workforce.
Yeah, it's very exciting to see our students succeed. Oftentimes we have our alumni coming back to our MacTech event and be the judges for student projects. And also I'm very excited to develop new graduate courses for our new master's program. So I hope to see our graduates coming back to our awesome university and get this master's degree. And also we welcome folks from other universities to come to Middle Tennessee and get this degree.
I love it. Very fascinating work, and unfortunately we're already out of time, but for folks listening, simply search Mechatronics MTSU. That should give them the right website to learn more, to find out how they can be a part of it.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, we appreciate you being here, but let's get you on again when we have more time. But man, what an interesting line of work, because AI and robotics, it is fascinating to see how that's being implemented into workforces.
It'll be a pleasure to come back anytime to talk more about it.
Sounds great. Well, we appreciate it. We'll talk to you again soon. Dr. Lee Miao, Professor of Mechatronics Engineering at MTSU, and the brand new program that MTSU has launched, a new Master of Science in Mechatronics Systems Engineering. And again, learn more. You can simply Google Mechatronics MTSU, and it should take you to the right place. Well, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
The Action Line on FM 101.9 and AM 1450 Murfreesboro, FM 100.5 Smyrna. Listen and watch at WGNSradio.com.
I'm a single mom, and as you can imagine, it's a fight sometimes just to get out the door. But when I need new tires or something's wrong with my car, I need to head to someone I can trust. I go to Tire World.
Tire World, we keep your family rolling.
Tire World, locally owned and operated.